Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the wellhead control panel. This wellhead control panel is used in wellhead facility to control the double SV surface safety valve and the triple SV subsurface safety valve. Its control is pneumatic and hydraulic, and the electronic signal transmit to the RTO, and then through the SCADA system it goes to the CCR. And now we will discuss about the major components of the wellhead control panel and how it works. First of all, we have a wellhead control panel supply, which is in our case is 100 psi. This supply comes from the scrubber. Then we have another regulator for the fusible loop and the EST loop. In our case, we have 70 psi fusible loop pressure. This should be less than our control supply pressure. We have the same loop for EST and fusible loop pressure. And then third we have a flow line pressure. High and low pilot switches monitor the flow line pressure. In case of leakage, low pilot switch will operate, and in case of blockage, high pilot switch will operate. In case of low pilot, the both double SV and triple SV both will shut down, and in case of high pilot just the double SV will shut down and the triple SV will remain open. Process team gives you the set point for these high and low pilot switches. In this wellhead control panel, low pilot will operate at 400 psi and high pilot will operate at 1250 psi pressure. Then on fourth number we have a double SV pressure. Double SV pressure should be around 2000 to 3000. And then we have triple SV pressure. Triple SV pressure should be greater than your well shut-in pressure. It must be multiplied by 1.5 of your wellhead shut-in pressure. Now it is around 4800 psi. Triple SV operates on differential pressure must be greater than your wellhead pressure, otherwise it will not get open. In this wellhead control panel, both double SV and triple SVs are hydraulic. In some cases, we have pneumatic double SV, but the triple SV must be hydraulic. And then we will have a regulator for the adjustment of our triple SV pressure. Through this regulator we adjust the triple SV pressure, and then we have a double SV regulator, and through this regulator we adjust the double SV pressure according to our requirement. As I mentioned earlier, we have the same loop used for the ESTV and the fusible loop. And here we have a ESDB valve. In case of an emergency, operator can shut the wellhead control panel through this ESDB valve. We will discuss about the cause and effects of this wellhead control panel. In wellhead control panel, we have three cause and effects, and in first we will discuss about the low pilot switch. If low pilot switch is operate, both double SV and triple SV will shut down, and in case of high pilot the only double SV will shut down, triple SV will remain open. And in case of fusible loop or either ESD push button, in both cases the double SV and the triple SV both will get shut down. And now we will discuss about the starting sequence of this wellhead control panel. First of all, make sure the wellhead control panel supply is sufficient, and then make sure the pilot switches are normal and wellhead pressure is also normal in the normal range. And then and then we will charge the fusible loop through this push button. We will push and we will charge the fusible pressure to the normal range 70 psi, and then we will get the command through this SOV solenoid valve from the CCR. When this SOV is energized, all other parameters are normal, and then first we will open the triple SV. To open the triple SV, we have here a pneumatic switch which is pulled to open. As we can see, we have here a switch. We will pull it to open the triple SV valve. When the triple SV valve is open and the pressure is sufficient, which is normal, and then we will to open the double SV valve. We have the same switch used here, pull to open the double SV valve. We will pull it to open the surface safety valve. In our normal operation, the flow line valve is open and the pilot test valve is closed. And here we have pilot test connection as well if we need to adjust the pilot. To testing the pilot switches in normal operation, now we will have here a bypass switch to test the pilot switches, these pilot switches. And now we will have an internal look of this wellhead control panel. This wellhead control panel is consisting of two major hydraulic pumps. One is for double SV and one is for triple SV. And here we have a regulator, main control, wellhead control panel supply regulator, which controls the supply of this wellhead control panel, and we have lot of relays, tubings, fittings, which is used in wellhead control panel. And this is the wellhead control panel drawing, uh, which is very complicated, and we have less time to explain it here, and we will make another video to explain. And we have the here two major valves, which is hydraulic interface valve, and these valve are one is for the double SV and one is for the triple SV. Wellhead control panel basically is a art. If there is any problem inside the wellhead control panel, I love to troubleshoot it. And if you like this video, please like our channel and like this video and subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you so